Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by disconnecting your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle apart to expose the internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the handle with your soft cloth, as this can improve the performance of your vacuum. Now focus on the trigger mechanism. You will see a small clip holding the trigger in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry this clip off. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the clip is removed, you can take out the old trigger. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need. With the old trigger removed, take your new trigger and align it with the mechanism. Push it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely fitted. Next, reattach the clip you previously removed to hold the trigger in position. Ensure it is firmly in place to avoid any future issues. Now it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves of the handle and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Once the handle is reassembled, it's a good idea to perform a quick test. Plug your Dyson SV12 back in and check that the new trigger functions correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Finally, if you're unsure about any part of this process, or if you'd prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember that we offer a quote before repair. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Thank you for following this guide on replacing the trigger of your Dyson SV12. With these steps, you should have your vacuum cleaner back in working order in no time. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.